am here today for the Cult series, and today we are going to play with Cult Mystery. Ooh, it looks like Aziz. Can you see? Can you see? Can you? Am I straight? No. Whoa, so freaking pretty, and yeah, created this look. So if you like the look, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. You don't want to miss out on upcoming videos, and hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So now let's get playing with this palette. I'm really excited today. So today we are doing the Cult Mystery palette. And I have really been liking these cult palettes. I gotta say, I'm very happy with them. Like, ooh, look at this. You're so pretty. Ugh. Yeah, so let's dive into this. I'm gonna try to use Kabuki Dance as a transition. I'm going to use it very, very light-handedly at first. We'll probably use that to build up the crease as well. But at first, let's just try to make it a transition shade. Ooh. So I don't know about how you guys are feeling about the Cult palettes, but I have been absolutely loving them. They are just so pretty. See, it's all about using it sparingly, like very, very light-handed, blend it really good so you get that light wash of color, not the intense color that it is in the pan. See, you can manipulate shadows pretty well to be what you would like them to be. Okay, see, so there's our light wash. So we're going to use that same color, and we're going to use a different crease brush, and we're just going to make that deeper in the crease area where we want it to be a little more intense. I don't know if you guys have not gotten these palettes. The only place I have seen them right now that Bad Habit is revamping, is eBay. So if you want to check out eBay, see if you can find any of these. If you don't have them and you really want to try them, that would be my suggestion, is to head on over to eBay and try to find them there. That's the only place I've seen them. I looked on Amazon. Amazon does not have any Bad Habit on there. So the only place I was able to find it is eBay. I'm going to use the transition brush with nothing on it. Buff it out a little just so there are no harsh edges, which shouldn't be difficult since the color we used for transition is the exact same color. It should blend out beautifully. See, look at that. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, so I'm thinking on the inner corner, I want to use the color Silk Kimono right there, and I just want to put that just on the inner part because we're going to go in with another color. some new neighbors. Alright, I'm going to use my finger, and I'm actually going to use my pinky because it's my smallest finger. And just tap that the best I can. This is quite pinky. I like it. So there we go. I'm going to have to clean up the inner corner a little bit, but we will get to that after. Now I'm going to go in with the color Sakura, tomato, blossom. That pink color, right there, so pretty. And I'm going to put that on the lid, and I'm going to also use my finger. What? I think that has like an orange shift to it. What? Why orange? That seems like a random shift color to have in this palette. Wow. I'm very confused. Okay. I'm gonna go back in with that silk kimono and just intensify that a little. Make sure we don't lose any of that color. So, yeah. I don't know what to do on the outer corner. I'm thinking the Lacquer Lush, which is black. They're so loud. Okay. Lacquer Lush. This black color. You're going to use that on the outer corner. And I'm going to first, what am I going to do first? First, I'm going to use this. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, it's clean. This E.L.F. crease brush, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, it's black, guys. It's black. Oh, good. Tapping it off, kind of. Oh my. I like that. I like it. I'm gonna wipe this brush off on my paper towel to get any of the leftover black, and I'm going to feather that in to blend it into that shimmer shade just ever so lightly. Ever so lightly. I keep covering my mouth with this. You guys probably can't hear me as well. Just feathering it in, just to blend it in a little. Just so it's not so like pink, black. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Jack, we know what you're saying. Okay, crease brush. Do some cleaning up / blending into that black. To the crease. Yes. Okay, transition shade to blend out any harsh edges. I am definitely going to have to wipe my face down. Sorry, I keep holding this like right up to my face, and you're probably like, I can't see what you're doing. Jeez, guys, that was so easy. Okay, so we're going to, what are we going to do? We are going to eyeliner. That's what we're going to do. We're going to eyeline. Line the eyes with some eyeliner, and I'm using the E.L.F. liquid eyeliner. As usual, nothing new, because there's just nothing new. I haven't bought anything new. Okie dokie. Oh. I know they have no idea who I am or that I'm filming, that I film stuff. But geez, I'm still a neighbor. I still don't want to hear all that noise. course, I'm sure they don't want to hear my husband's bass when he comes home from work either, so I guess we're even. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you know the routine. Gonna pop on lashes, fix my face, and we'll be back to finish the look. Okie dokie. So, as you can see, lashes on, face on. Yeah, so let's finish the bottom. I think we're going to start with that black, and we're just going to put it in the outer corner. Just dab and tap. You don't want it too crazy. Okay, now we're going to go in with the crease brush. We're going to tap or dab, tap, and put that. And now we're just going to take the crease brush, nothing on it, and we're just going to soften it a little. Voila! Now, let's, oh, do we want, yeah, we're going to go in with what I have left of the Maybelline Lasting Drama. Put that in the waterline. Okay, now we're going to go in with Lash Paradise. That's it! That is the Cult Mystery palette. I can't help but use the baked shadows in these, and I know you guys are probably like, hello, there's other shadows, and I'm like, yeah, they're pretty, but they're not as pretty as the baked shadows. Ooh, ooh, what am I, a ghost? That was weird. Okay, so yes, I am digging these palettes. I love this look we made. I just, I am in love. Okay, so I'm not digging my hair today. I'm gonna say it's kind of like, but oh well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified as soon as my videos go up. And I hope you enjoyed this look, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!